Alright, so I'm still running metal pedals. Not really into the whole plastic thing. Metal Nostra pedals, they do me good for trails and stuff like that. Not a lot of dirt gets caught in them, so that's good, and they don't slip or anything. Replaceable pins, so I'm running 175 Torrid cranks. Don't break or anything, don't slip, don't creak. I'm running a 39 gear ratio, 30 in the front, 9 in the back. It's a little bit harder than normal, but it's good for going fast and whatnot. I got the tack top load stem, spray painted black. Other than that, still running the railed seat. Not really into the whole pivotal thing. It's not really my deal. No pegs, no brakes. That's pretty much it.